Welcome back to Auto Care Academy. Today's class is Smooth Ride Studies. We're talking about steering wheel vibrations, pulling, shaking, strange clunks, and other changes your vehicle may feel on the road.
Great. Completely unrelated question. How much shaking is considered normal?
None would be ideal.
What if it only happens at highway speeds?
That could be related to tires, wheels, balance, suspension, or something else underneath the vehicle.
Interesting. And what if there's also a clunk over bumps?
Is this still a hypothetical vehicle?
For educational purposes, yes.
And has this hypothetical vehicle's all-wheel drive system ever been serviced?
I suddenly feel like this lesson has become very personal.
Did you bring your vehicle today?
I did.
Good. We'll be using that for the lab portion.
There's a lab portion?
There is now.
Last week we talked about helping your vehicle perform its best before back-to-school routines got busy. This week we're talking about something a little different. Not how your vehicle runs, but how it feels. I'm here with Mark to talk about vibrations, pulling, clunking, shaking, and some of the ride quality changes that can actually tell you a lot about what's going on underneath your vehicle.
Most people don't come in saying I have a drivetrain issue. They actually say, my car feels weird. Maybe it vibrates on the highway, maybe it pulls a little, maybe it's something that clunks over bumps. Those are some useful clues. So the goal is to figure out what's causing them. One thing we check for is a tire and wheel balance. Sometimes a standard wheel balance solves the problem. Sometimes it doesn't. Road force balancing actually takes it a step further. It actually measures how the tires perform under load, similar to when the vehicle's on the road. That's especially helpful when a vibration is felt during highway speeds and or when the vehicle gets new tires. The drivetrain is what transfers power from the engine transmission over to the wheels. If something in the system starts wearing, you may notice vibrations, clicking, clunking, and also a shudder during acceleration. Those symptoms automatically don't point to one specific part. They simply tell us where to start looking.
Professor, I need help with my hypothetical vehicle.
Still hypothetical?
Less than it was earlier.
Come on in, have a seat.
I don't know how to describe what it was doing without making sound effects.
Sound effects are allowed. Just tell us when it happens.
At highway speeds, it goes bub.
That could be tire, wheel, or balance related. Road force balancing can help show how the tires behave under load and narrow down the cause of the vibration.
So, at highway speeds is useful?
Surprisingly useful.
What about a clunk over bumps or while turning?
That could involve the suspension, the drivetrain, the axle, or another component underneath the vehicle.
And if my all-wheel drive system just feels different?
When it happens and where you feel it helps us narrow it down. Shuddering, hesitation, binding while turning, or anything else that feels unusual will help guide the inspection.
So I don't need to know which part is bad?
No, that's our job. Your job is just to tell us it wasn't doing that before.
I knew I was doing well in this class.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
The all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive system have more components working together. Transfer case, differentials, axles, driveshaft. Over time, those systems need maintenance too. Keeping up with fluid services and inspections helps everything continue working the way it's designed to. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make is getting used to a change. It starts small. After a few weeks, it becomes the new normal. That's why it's helpful to ask questions sooner rather than later, not because every symptom is serious. There isn't one symptom that tells us automatically what's wrong. The inspection process lets us narrow it down. Instead of replacing the parts based off guesses, we can identify which parts are faulty. And then we can explain your options clearly. That's really the goal. Answers, and not assumptions.
Your vehicle doesn't have to ride perfectly to be dependable, but if it starts vibrating, pulling, clunking, or just feeling a little different than you're used to, it's worth paying attention to. If you're in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Wyomissing, or surrounding areas, our team at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions can help you figure out what those changes mean so you're not left guessing. Next week, we're heading into electrical and engine essentials and talking about the systems that help your vehicle start, charge, and stay on schedule during busy school year routines. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.